Hi, my name is Michael Energy from TryPerdium.com, and today I'm going to be showing you how to set up category schedules on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard. So if you want a dynamic way of showing categories on your mobile app, so you want it to be shown on certain hours of specific days and you want it to be hidden, in other hours, this is how you do it on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard. So the first thing you want to do when you log into your account is go down to operations, open the menu, and then click on category schedules. So once it's loaded, you go to the top right corner and click on create schedule. So pretty much the areas that you would need to fill is the schedule name, which is an internal name. This will not be shown to the users of the mobile app, and the description. This is also internal for internal use. And then you can now assign categories that you want to be added to this schedule, as well as the locations that you want this schedule to be active for. And then on the last area of the screen, you get to set the day, the time, and the availability. So for instance, I want it to be shown on Sundays from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. I'm going to set the availability here to yes. So what that means is that for this schedule and for the selected categories, it will be shown only on Sundays from 12 a.m. to 11:59 p.m. on the app. So I'm just going to go in and fill in the information there. So I'm just going to say coffee schedule, for instance, and I will put a description. This is a description. And now I will select coffee drink. I will select coffee as, so you can only assign one category, by the way, to the schedule. So I'm going to select coffee, and then for the locations, you can select multiple locations. So I'm just going to do this for all the locations, and then for the daytime and availability, I will just make some changes here. I'll make this 8 a.m. and then I'm gonna leave this as 12 noon. (12 p.m. rather). And then I'm going to have it hidden for all the other days. So let me go back up, and so that it makes a whole lot of sense, I'm going to say Sunday coffee schedule. So what it means is that for this category schedule, I want to only be showing coffee for all locations on the mobile app only on Sundays between the hours of 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. So once you save this and you come down to the bottom of the page and you hit save, and yes, you'd see it added to the category schedules table. So as you can see, the category is coffee, and the name that we've called it for this schedule is Sunday coffee schedule, and this is the description. So for the day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, it's going to be hidden for the entirety of the day. And then on Sunday, show it from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. for all the locations. So you have the option to edit this and to delete the schedule. And that is exactly how you set up the category schedule on the Per Diem Merchant dashboard.